Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to make simple blog with Angular 11. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see simple beautiful blog. Here is blog header section, logo, menu, header image or text. Here are some posts. Here is the post section. And here is sidebar about archives, elsewhere, from where you can find. And here is post section, feature post. Here is pagination, older, newer, and here is footer section, back to top. So friends, have you seen simple blog with Angular 11 plus bootstrap 4? And friends, I will show you blog is fully responsive. See you friends, fully responsive. And friends, I must say one thing. Please find the code snippet link inside the video description. You can implement it very easily. And friends, in future, I will make it dynamic, like the dynamic post, dynamic menus, dynamic archives, and all the things. And friends, if you have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then please comment on this video. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.